This is Carson Cariff with Beyond IT at 7308 Flagship Drive. And as you see, if you push this red button here on the Roku remote, that'll turn your TV on and it goes immediately to the Roku screen because it's a Roku TV. And then these buttons navigate your up, down, and on the side here you have your volume control, volume up, volume down, and then a mute button. And then this is your back button, so if you enter any application, you can go back once it loads, like so. Okay, and then also if you don't want to go through all that and you just need to go to the home screen, that's your home button. And then you push the red power button again to turn off.